How's it going, everybody? Jonathan here. In this video, we're going to use OpenAI to create some SQL statements. If you get anything out of this video, please hit the like button and subscribe. I'm trying to get to 1,000 subscribers as soon as possible. I have about 250 now. So thank you very much. Let's get right into this. So the main library we're using in Python is the OpenAI library. You need this in order to run it. You also need an API key. You just set the API key equal there. And then what we do once we have the API key and the library imported, we create a response. And the response is called by using this method, openai.completion.create. So there's a whole bunch of different methods inside of OpenAI. Like, for example, just show you here, image, file, I don't know, but we're using the completion. So let's bring that back, and we're going to create this response. We're going to use this DaVinci 003 model. We can pretty much ignore all these other ones for now. These not super relevant regarding what we're doing. So let's create our prompt. Okay, and the prompt is going to be create a SQL statement to find all bugs that have occurred more than 5 times. End it with a colon. We're going to do other prompts. We're just going to start with this one and see the results we get. It takes a quick moment here, and here you go. Select bug ID count stars, count all as occurrences from bugs, group by bug ID having occurrences more than 5. And here's another version of the code parsed out. And we can get rid of these new line spaces when we put this in our code. Right, so it creates a new column called occurrences. It counts all from bugs, group by bug ID, having. Easy enough. Well, what else can we do? Create an SQL statement to find users that live in the state of New York. We go here, see what this creates. Select star from users where state equals New York. That's a more simplified one. Let's see if we can let's see how far we can take this. Create an SQL statement to find all users that live in the state of New York and have spent more than $500. Let's see what this gives us. Select star from users where state equals New York and total spent is greater than 500. So it looks like it does some interpretation of what our column names would be. So if you wanted to get more specific, I think you have to specify the column names. So it's create an SQL statement to find all users that live in the state of New York and have let's just say money underscore spent greater. So money underscore spent, let's see if it picks up that column name of money underscore spent. Yeah, it does. So it looks at that total spent phrasing and does some interpretation. What if we do? And not more than 1,000. You can really, once you have your SQL, you can really use this to easily write additions to your statements. It's pretty cool. All right, so that's how you use OpenAI completion to write SQL statements. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button. Bye-bye.